Greetings from Ari team. In previous video, we understood how account setup is done in Ari for QuickBooks and how all accounts are prepared. In this video, we will learn how account posting is done from Ari to QuickBooks. So, on this page, QuickBooks account posting, Ari has provided some filters so that document posting can be made easy for user. First filter is from date and to date, so that user would be able to pick up any specified documents from between any specific dates. Next filter is transaction wise. In Ari we have different transactions. So by this transaction filter, user will be able to post any specific transaction from the selected transactions. Similarly, organization-wise filter. The documents to be posted can be filtered out on the basis of organizations as well. Now, this filter, posting documents. Here we have three options: all, failed, and pending. If user selected failed, then it will display only those transactions which faced any error or issue while posting for the first time. If pending is selected, then it will display only those error documents which are pending to be posted. If all is selected, then it will display all the transactions combining of failed and pending documents. Now, I already have prepared some documents, so I will simply click on process, and it is displaying dispatch note posting and GRN posting. So I will give a check mark on both the documents, click on next, and on the second page of final posting grid, it will display the documents and confirm that these documents will be posted to QuickBooks. So I will check mark this box and click on post. Now, since while doing this setup, our parameter was the batch size was 1, we can keep it as 5, 10 or any limit as user wants. Currently this is 1. So these documents will be posted to QuickBooks one by one. Now, we can see the status as posted and status description as OK. It means both these documents are now posted to QuickBooks. So in QuickBooks, we will check in journal entry. I will click here and go to journal entry. I will click here on refresh. I have posted one GRN document. I will click here and it will display the account posting accordingly. Similarly, I can check for dispatch note as well, and the account posting is displayed. So in this way, all the documents from Ari can be posted to QuickBooks. In next video, we will see and understand how to post transactions from POS. Thank you.